In today's video, I am going to teach you Qbittorrent download and install. We will go step by step to get the official installer and set it up on Windows, with clear tips to make the process smooth and secure. Start by heading to the Qbittorrent official website in your web browser. Using the official site is important because it ensures you are getting the genuine, up-to-date application without any unwanted extras. On the site, click the Download tab at the top, or go straight to the dedicated download page if you have that link handy. You will see options for different operating systems. Choose the one that matches your device. If you are on Windows, select the 64-bit installer for the latest stable release, which is the recommended choice for most modern PCs. Once you click the Windows 64-bit installer, your browser will begin downloading the file. If your browser asks where to save it, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find later. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Locate the installer file ending in exe, and double-click it to start. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether to allow the app to make changes, click Yes to continue. The installer will open and first ask you to select your language. Pick the one you prefer and click OK. Next, click Next to proceed. You will see the license agreement. Take a moment to review it. And then click I agree to accept and continue with the installation. You'll be asked to choose the components to install. The default options work well for most people. If you like quick access from your desktop, check the desktop shortcut option. If not, you can leave it unchecked. After making your selections, click Next. Now click Install. The installer will copy the necessary files to your computer. This may take a minute or two, depending on your system. You'll see a progress bar while it works. When it's done, you will be presented with the completion screen. Leave the option to launch the application checked if you want to open it right away. And then click Finish. Qbittorrent will launch and you are ready to use it from here. You can explore the interface, but the download and installation are complete. If you ever need to reinstall or update in the future, you can repeat these same steps from the official website to ensure you are always on the latest stable version. Thanks for watching.